Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Hazel's Emporium. And to those who are new to me, my name is Hazel. Welcome and thank you for coming to my pram. So for today's video everyone, this is another sponsored video from a company named Firstbags. That are you. So this is another replica luxury bags that can be purchased through online, and they do have a lot of good deals now. They sell pretty much everything that we need, from bags, wallets, for both men and women. So I will put all the link and information below for all your information everyone, and you can also use my discount coupon Hazel, which is that way 5% is a good savings of money, a dime, as I've said, that could help at least. In that way 5% is a good savings of money. I know everyone, inflation is here, but that doesn't mean that we will not be able to give a gift to ourselves. So we all deserve to have a gift of ourselves. So gentlemen, men, women, to everyone out there, you deserve to have a gift of yourself from all your hard work. So this is the best company to reach out. They do have a lot of good deals now. You can also use my discount coupon, which is Hazel. So 5% is not too bad, too less all of this pricing going up, everything now. So a dime and a dollar, a little bit of savings, that would be very helpful to our economy, to our pocket, right? So I will put all the link and information below in my description below in this video, and you can go check online for that. And of course I can't wait to unbox this and try this on afterwards. Here, I can't really wait to open up this and do my review and try this on. Please see me more in the inside of this unboxing. Thank you so much. Careful when using this sharp kind of stuff. There this is. Isn't it pretty? Packaging is super. Let me try. Let me open, not try yet. So here you go. Do you know what? I ordered this, or I choose this because it's spring is here and summer, and this is really a cute one for this time of season. What do you think? Oh my god. Oh, it smells good. Smells really like a real leather. Cute. Smells good. Okay, let's take this off. I have this. Look at this everyone. I have this logo inside. I have a cute little pouch with the Louis Vuitton, and listen, zipper slides so perfectly smooth. Let me try this one too. Oh my god. Oh, it's just oh, look at that. Can you hear this? Smooth perfectly though, very smooth. Okay, I can't wait. Let's do this. I have this sling. With the Louis Vuitton logo on it. And I have another one, chain sling gorgeous. I have this logo. Hope you can see that. Both. Let's check it closely. Isn't it cute? I don't say out of line stitches. Shiny. Looks like everything is in order. All right, we will try to attach this here. Beautiful. Can't wait to try this on. Ta-da! Isn't it beautiful? Cute, eh? What a beauty. I can't really wait to try this on. Beautiful, huh? Really suit for spring, and now summer is coming, so yes. What are you waiting for? Guys, everyone out there, purchase and give a gift for yourself. I will put all the link below for all the information of the company, and you do have a good deal though on top. You can also use my discount coupon Hazel 5%. Not bad. So see me in my try on. So what do you think of this? I really can't wait to try this on outdoor. Beautiful, eh? I can have my phone here. I can have my key and a few of my cards. And good to go. What do you think? I love this. Super. I really do love this. Thank you so much, Firstbags. God, are you for this? I really like it. I do love it though. The material is super, very soft. Looks like feels like a gimosa. And out of 10, I will give this to 9.5. Super. I love it. Thank you so much, Firstbags. That are you for this? So let's try this on outdoor.